A very short broadcast. When I say it talks a time for genuine Ambazonians them for rise up. Now they to read that way, I want me we broke them today. It's a time for genuine Ambazonians them for rise up. You know, say Papa and Mommy, they need to ever be fake if the reality no there. Broken. You know they get counterfeit money if original money no there. You know they get anything, any fake of anything if the original no there. For instance, that will be the goal. We get that people that for Kumbawe they be the make counterfeit. But they be the only make counterfeit because the original be there. And sometimes when they put the counterfeit on the original, you will look at get a lot of similarities. But if you look and find, you will see the difference. But people then be over mumu. Then be mumu for the way they don't even know the difference between counterfeit and true money. So I remember one instance that would be this small picking. Some boy for a compound. I know go call your name maybe when I feel know you. If you watch me self now, you know when I girlfriend. A Kumba boy, maybe they rent for a house. Give me 10,000. He say, "Ma go buy something." When I buy that thing, I will take change. I will take 2,000 inside the money. You know, when you small picking in those days, if the dash shoot at 100, if it didn't have baby money, man, they give me 10,000. Say, "Ma, I go buy something. I go take change 2,000 inside the change, and that's why I go buy now 1,500. Man, I go to the store. Innocent me, I don't know. I enter. I say I want buy the thing. I come. Time for happen. I give money. I brought a home money. Look at so. You know, talk nothing. You know, in those days, people they be said they be for back counter. For come hold you for front. You get for come opus until they push her up so then they pass. I always see that big brother be small. So I give the money look at my no tell you go come out and see the man pick me for my trouser. Give me some conch. Some of them know the meaning of the word conch again. He give me some conch. But that kind of conch they didn't not come enter. They did scratch them. They can't say matches. They did light after the matches. So tack. A sister. Now me that what did I do? I did cry. So you want deceive you to counterfeit money? He give me second conch. I never said no my fault. He said you want deceive you to counterfeit money? Before I want look, he give me number 3 conch. That conch with the scratch and a scratch am. So crap, the light and the matches your head. Mad. My eye clear. Then I want no say. Na counterfeit money where that man be giving me, I go change the so. So I tell you say, oh, I did my brother send me, I did person send me. Thank God to that man may be wise for recognize counterfeit money. But as I talk, counterfeit, they always be so close to original, where they hard for differentiate the difference. But person will get experience, person will get sense. If you hold counterfeit money, you hold original money, you don't know the difference. I know the tone of this story, not just because I want to tell this story. I will relate this story to the Ambazonian revolution, to the Ambazonian liberation fight. You see, La République is sole aim for against we, for fight we, for destroy we, for discredit we, for create confusions amongst we, for do everything where it will make chaos, chakara be among we Ambazonians them. They aim that. Because La République the fear wa unity. La République the fear wa resolveness. See, for this past 4 years, for this past 4 years, if one thing the way La République don't learn, now not for underestimate Ambazonians them. You know, they've underestimated us for so long. For close to 60 years, La République underestimated us. They don't look like animals. They don't maltreat we. They don't turn we. They don't turn we up and down, all side, all way, turn we, chakara we. Do all kind of thing with we. Yet, we'll still be a peaceful people. So they take us for granted. They take and say, c'est sont les anglophones. They say we are fools. You know, when you offer yourself in a peaceful way, then person they play with you, do anything, curse you, he holler you, he slap you, you just be quiet. At a certain degree, it will take you like a fool. Now, so La Republic, we don't take we. So it baffled them and it beat their imagination and understanding. Say, once we stood up as one people with a great resolveness, determined. Even their divide and rule strategy, where they don't use them amongst we, where they don't be successful for so many decades, all of a sudden, the divide and rule fall off. It becomes null and void and ineffective. The strategy become inefficient. La République fuelam. You know, go. It did like Samson. You know, Samson be get such might. When he wake up, he only shake his skin so power enter. But then we allow himself, he expose his secret for Delilah. And Delilah selling. That way Delilah tells you, oh, the Philistines are coming. He wake up, he say, this will be business as usual. I will shake my body. So Samson shake his skin. Power no enter. He shake his skin. Power no enter. You say, what did happen? How did he empty? He shake him. Power no enter. Now the way no say, if power don't go because they don't cut the baby. You see, La République du Cameroon get up one morning for accept the sad reality. Say, we Ambazonians, we don't go. We don't be resolute. We don't determine one man for our freedom. And you think say, such an enemy could just leave a moon and go free. If Pharaoh, maybe if he allow Egyptians to go easily, you just say La République, France, we don't be their chop box for so many years. Jacques Chirac, he said without Africa, France would be worse than a third world country. You know what I mean? That means without Amazonia, because Amazonia is part of those countries of Africa, where France is thief from. It means without Amazonia, France go worse past La République. That means people go the back chop for road, the creep for road, look for the drink for France. So you just say France go just left, will go like that. They will fight and do everything. In fact, they will invest whatsoever they can invest for maintain an atmosphere of confusion, division, chakara, fight. But you know what? They will only succeed now for corrupt the weak-minded people. Those ones the way they not be true Amazonians. Now why they want to get for screen waiting? Time for genuine Amazonians to rise up. La République will only succeed for corrupt and deceive those ones where they not be genuine. And this one bring me back for the story I be telling about counterfeit and original. For so long, one of the strategies where La République don't use them, even amongst us and for deceive our people for ground zero, now for make counterfeit. For instance, we get the ARFs. Atanganji and La République, they go make their own Amber Boys. They call them say Amber Boys. If you see them, they go wear clothes. No, when I soldiers them, na army them, na be them. They go wear clothes. They work for daytime. Let's say they be normal people. I mean, for daytime, let's say they be soldiers them. For night, they wear clothes. They work like they be normal ambers them. La République make counterfeit. Now a strategy for make those where they be affected, when they see they be terrorized, destroyed, affected, inflicted by the fake Amber Boys. They go the fee say, now the real Amber Boys they do them. But when I remember that story I tell you about that counterfeit, it take that wise man for know the difference between counterfeit and original. Because counterfeit, no matter how you try to make the original, it will never be the original. Now, whatever you see, if these fake Amber Boys then go out for go do their crimes, they always leave a trace who did not see at them. They will talk, you hear their accent. They will do something, you go hear. They will want even interview some person. You hear they talk when they talk, they say bong, okay, bong, didong. You see those slangs, you know, say na francophone there. Brothers and sisters, fellow Amazonians, I want to talk today about time for genuine Amazonians for Rise Up. Joining me all the way from Los Angeles, California, na my beloved brother and friend, we wanna know you, na a patriot and a comrade for this revolution. Just give me a second, man. Adjust the image. Okay, perfect. I will bring in a comrade UN. Hello, countryman. Welcome to Amber Voice.
Salute, Mr. Nanchop. Thank you for
Yes, sir.
We'll talk today, this evening, as far as with people that be concerned back home. So we check say when things they happen, like how La Republic it do so. Even at time for people that for she don't for the talk say, oh, this thing don't tire them, this thing don't do so. Instead, you know, saying at the time that way, you get for give you more power, more energy. Because if you not be there on the right track, they're not for to do these manipulations the way they do them so. And the problem now say, even the kingdom of God where they go for heaven, they say the road a big crooked, a big narrow, a get chugu, a get all kind of things for road. So now people the way they will resist temptation. You will resist temptation, and the people where they will whole heart where they will go reach for them. We know say we enemy now La Republic, and we don't see say people them where they look at their belly them for up. What you did try for explain for we now say, oh, some people don't hijack the revolution. They be not be for revolution for 20 years, 30 years ago. People be not hijack the revolution. They don't come now, just can hijack the revolution. And where we understand, say, everything where we suffer from La Republic, nothing where it give you a lot of pain. And when something they give you a lot of pain, no man, no one for strong under stress, under pain for the long time. Now, why that way, even people for Ground Zero today, they ask and say, oh, what you gonna do for the me this thing can't end, so we will get with freedom, we'll go. But if you be inside revolution for 30 years, 20 years, and other kind of things, them, and where you know we don't do anything, any breakthrough, some person just come like yesterday, or different people that come yesterday, they try for make the revolution again in a kind of different way. Then now you can't talk and say they don't hijack the revolution from you, with where you don't suffer. You say you claim say you don't suffer for 30 years. If you don't know for 30 years, we will talk like school. People will get sense, you know, if you go enter one class for 30 years. Some begin the way they enter school, plenty like primary school. Maybe all begin and enter primary school, go reach for class 7. Some begin the way they will be intelligent. If you want enter so now, his school teacher that they promote it for different class. But when one begin to enter school for 30 years, he never get any breakthrough. He claims that when they want make head boy inside that school, they more inside that class, they more put na he. It means say the person not understand what you it do. So now why that you see say this leader the way they can't talk say they so they don't suffer for the revolution, they go for prison, they chop people, their shit, they do so. If they not be in command, better me the revolution is crash. They say better they go spoil them. They say better all we will remain for diaspora. And now the people the way they help La Republic, now the people where they there for La Republic now. But now who get a solution to these people? Now the righteous people the way they believe say they stand for independence. Now the way they get for stand up, yeah, they get for stand up, they put these people them outside. Because with the year a lot of people them they just be me I tell anybody say if you go for Hallelujah choir, inside Hallelujah choir, even at 100 people that did it, be all man they sing. Even at all man they sing the same part. Any man get the role where they play. Some man they sing bass, some man they sing chorus, some man they play na drum, some man they play na that. They can conduct or to get your own role. So when you enter inside revolution, you can't play your own role. You see, I say it not be as effective as enough. Different person, it can use different parameters and make the revolution to go. You will realize something. The best thing for you now for push ahead. Tell me that person hell for finish where to where you be not start them. Because where to where matter. No matter how long you start something, now how you finish them. Before 2016, I will guarantee when I say about 85% for Ambazonia, they not be no history for Southern Cameroons. They not be know something. So few people that be don't manage know something like SCNC, so other kind of them. Most of them they be even know that SDF and or the like. But now when consortium it come out, it can't talk see this. So this fight for make this fight again for people where they matter for the would they matter small beginner, would they matter students them other kind of them. They put schools, them put everything them. Now for the way you realize and say if you make ghost town lockdown for the whole school. But now we be there inside the revolution. I mean the whole Amazonia. Maybe the revolution 30 years ago. It be unable for make ghost town only inside your own house except not to talk for your own quarter. Not to talk even for one Karifu. But if you can't claim say if you don't do good, if you don't do other kind of them. Me I tell you say hate for good is not a loss inside pot. And no person, if you can't, no person they go tell bird say this banana not ripe. They see them for skin. Even you say see mango it not ripe, you don't know. Why you will sing your own praises say now you don't do this thing, do this thing? Why you not feel ever meet different people and they explain those things them to you? Me they explain those things them to you. Because what way you know how to do them. Like we for inside the whole world. Even Amazonia and Africa. We get natural resources where we not get good use for know how to make good use. Person can for sure you have to make good use. Why you not go collaborate with the person so that me you make good use and you benefit for your things them. You can't talk say this or no. Even if you know for do those things the better make the thing spoil. So that time where Amazonia where they get righteous Amazonia get for stand up. I take small time for explain the history now because these people them they be people these people them are people the way like I don't talk say even a mumu again row inside choir if you hold drum different man they play. So these people them they not send with independence, they not retire with independence. And I tell Amazonia people send up 50 people where they the whole week for down 50. We get parliamentarians them, we get senators them, and then these people, these people where they claim say they be not people for revolution like Ayebade and the rest, they don't reach up to 50. And why you feel say these 50 people and they sing so? Because people now you where you follow them blindly because of their speeches, because of what way they deceive you, you follow them, begin to go. You give them that power. If they join Amazonia, then they stand up strong. These people and they don't get anything for do with you. We see a lot of people and they already be where they follow these people. 1 second, people where they follow these people along the road. They say and say they not be defined. Which side they day? We see Ray Baba, the Mami Gerard, we say Jiggy Mazem, we see even Benaki them. They be not already live and they talk say no. Better meet different people and they take this thing, it begin go for front. So nothing and that way we go for talksy. Me Amazonia people I know. So we come today for talk for call the genuine Amazonia people and me they rise up. Thank you, Pa.
You know, taken from that particular point where you talk. When you talk about time for genuine Ambazonians for rise up, it means say for turn up for up. We not fit deny the fact say when as we talk, we start this fight. We got plenty of people where they be moved by a lot of external factors and excitement. Some they become, they say, Tapang Ivo sabi talkie, mo follow Tapang Ivo. Some they say, Ayaba sabi talkie, sabi cram, speech, he can talk, mo follow Ayaba. So I say, na the person sabi do this, na Mark Barata sabi stamp. It is stamp, it is holla, abba, it's funny. Some person the way you look at Mark Barata, the stamp, it's funny, it's sweetie. He say, may go the follow na Mark Barata. So with that excitement, people then follow anybody we talk about Ambazonia without knowing the genuine mindset of these individuals. In the course of this fight, people then start to say, this person way I be say either for the fight, well, I think say he want to represent my cause and my plight. The person get a different motive. Those way they be wise, they pull back. But some the way they be very vocal for these individuals then. In the sense they be the advocate for them. They talk for their state. They do advocacy for them and the rest. They don't over talk publicly for support these individuals. After they can discover, so these individuals be very corrupt in their ways and their mindsets. They don't get the boldness for come publicly, for can condemn her. Some they just disappear. And one of the reasons that you'll see some person be there for the revolution, it be the talk. So I mean, it just disappear. That's what's the person that you see. If you want to look and find, it be enter this fight with a lot of excitement, but without knowledge and true zeal. It will lack some certain degree of genuinity in you. Because I believe that even you get that genuinity in you, when you discover that something be wrong, you will change from that thing and you not go give up. You will can't confess them and talk and condemn them publicly. Come on, UN. Would he talk about time for genuine Ambazonians from Rise Up? A lot of things they happen for this revolution. I want to start with the most recent thing which just happened now. And we don't say, with me and you, we don't talk these things. Some of us, we don't talk these things. Now, why do we mean I need to be moved again? You see, I need to be moved when something happen. Gone are those days, fellow Ambazonians, where it not been a news for me. Say ADF go for some place, you go commit havoc. It's not a news. News, not be when dog bite man. Because dog get a tendency for bite man. News. Now when man bite dog. You not go expect me for come say, oh, ADF don't do this thing, ADF do this. We have been saying these things, come on, you have been saying these things and I've been saying these things. I don't make video, you don't make video, you don't make audios, you don't make write up. We don't talk, we don't explain them for this for Ambazonian people, for our papa and mommy them, for our fighters them, for our brothers them. The standpoint of ADF and AGOFC and Ayabacho for this liberation fight. Well, even if a blind man, he go see and say, wait till the tongue not true. For instance, come on, UN. UCSF just help me more now read this thing. More name some of the things the way ADF don't do in the past. More start with their own general. General Ivomba, look where they kill him. We'll get audio and we'll get proof even from the ADF people where they talk how and then kill their own general. Look, the Guzang massacre, no be one time it happened. Look what happened for Bui. They plan for go kill Chacha. I feel name those things them endlessly. Even if na fool.
No, you will name No, you will name for Bui, you will name Amigo, you will name Florence Ayafo.
No, more take them gently. Wait, more take them. More start with Ivomba, na ADF and Ayabacho the killer. Florence Ayafo. Hell, let me more to go.
You know why they kill Ivomba?
Of course, the reason be obvious.
Yeah, because Ivomba now person where if he stand for the revolution. So time where they want change gear for go to work with La Republic for be anti-revolutionary. They understand say Ivomba is not to support that way. And now why that way they kill Ivomba? You know, even like especially like how when they go do that Batibo massacre, they know say a lot of things they be get for the camp out. All those kind of things them. Now why that would they talk for all fighters them? Whether you be fighter or you be who, you must get some person where you get for confess, you confide in, where you talk anything where you discuss, even like with some boss in, so that if something happen for you, that person will stand up tomorrow for talk say, if he tell me say, if he tell me say, if he tell me say. See, I see even some crazy one them, they go to work at hear something the way they talk for some person like my country people, them, other kind of people them. And when if something happen with you tomorrow, your brother no say, oh, now this person be do so, or this person be do so, this person be do so. So now the thing and that we tell fighters them. We don't tell fighters and say the problem now La Republic. And the enemy now La Republic alone. So when you come, you can't hear some person, you can't talk, say, oh, go fight this person, go fight this one, go fight this one. You go to fight the person, you put fear. If you even miss it, they will La Republic, one can't kill you. You call that person for backup, in will come. Some will go with the name. We will not read for Ivomba. Then we'll just make that comment. We'll go next one.
Florence Ayafo.
Okay. Until you notice about Florence Ayafo, I say they keep Florence Ayafo Now, ADF, Ayaba, Sesep, he can't talk, see, they begin the way they keep Florence Ayafo. He get them, the day we. He said, he get the beginning and the day we. And about a few months ago, where La Republique a military court, he announced and said, those begin them, they deal with them, and where they judge them. And where Ayaba, and about tell we how they begin to go for La Republique. Whether La Republique can attack their camp, if take they begin them, or they begin to be escape, or they will do a prisoners exchange. So if you not talk, it day for me say, they begin to be in their keeping La Republique and ADF. So when they be kill Ayafo, they understand and say they see and say na La Republique handwork with Atangaji people. For move pressure on top La Republique, they will send an individual like Ayaba. Say me can't accept them. In exchange, say even something what happen, La Republique government will give the cover. Now why that way those things that can happen so?
And you know the worst thing.
So next one.
We'll get the proofs out there where even because as you talk, how ADF they will say they don't arrest the people where they be key Florence Ayafo. The next minute we'll see the people with La Republique. Well, La Republique they say they judge the people. Something is unclear. Now, more Jom will come for what to happen from Guzang.
You know say the only time where I will see ADF it means for a target. Now about 2 years, I think now 2 years or 3 years ago, where you remember some picture where they catch some 3 boys them where ADF send them for Lebialem, some young small begin them. Where they will even go sometimes they go born one and a few march at their house. They catch those boys and they confess, say being an ADF, they come out for Bamenda. For go for Lebialem, for they want go kill fee march at them and all that. The video day is there for video, or we still get all those things.
We'll continue. Florence Ayafo na them kill him. Chacha. They plan him. We even hear him at the
yes.
Talk him.
So which way you notice that for Chacha on case na say you notice that for Chacha on case na say Pascal Kiki a toxi me capo it take capo that general capo me taking them ahead me just do and give them a report. Say they no get nothing for repent. Even that one where they be do for Krugwe, they never repent. No, they nothing confess for that one. So no nothing. That means if we now accept them, see now they be really do that one for Krugwe. Now so it talk. And then when they go catch Chacha now, I mean when they go for Chacha now, Capo Daniel he make a video. I mean audio. He say me people where they there for Bui for corner road. Me they come out go out because ADF. It would conduct military exercises for go free La Republique military where Chacha that they cash them. He say for go free La Republique military where Chacha that they cash them. Then after we hear na say this Efang it don't escape. We hear say Efang they inside a military facility where it detect treatment. With the dada one, with the dada one, then a fang sets up, it come after now, where it well, it can make audio, see, they be take you go for corner military place, right? For corner military place, say they for backside military house, say they want go kill you for them. Then when I wait, they should not gone on wait, then they go, then for the way they can rescue you, who the rescue military. You know, say restoration forces they not fit take person go again they kill them for military place for military because one when Gonjo holla or something cry holla no military come out attack them. So if they come out for the they go join the military people them they come with the military truck them they can't go for the military hospital where they be the drum where they be the talk. That is how it be because remember if na the person where the only legacy where he get an La Republique military flag where he get them for he camp for crew.
You see that the very effang where ADF, Ayabacho, Tapang Ivo, and the Egg of Sea as a whole, that they claim Nadia general for ground. General, we it claim, according to Egg of Sea and Ayabacho, the one who believes the day for Ambazonia. But they are generally carrying a La Republique flag. their general, they work with La Republique. Now La Republique soldiers them go rescue their general from restoration forces their hand. And then the one more believe say they did for Ambazonia. It don't make no sense. You know, come on, I know I'm over repeat these things because we don't talk this thing timelessly.
May I put a small side comment for them? You see, I say, now what I would tell Ambazonia people, them say, any man they use the name Ambazonia, not stand for Ambazonia. If you go for YouTube, all in the way Eric Tato, it is show like alert breaking news from Amba General. Amba General. Now you use the name. If you look at now for your Facebook page now, you there for the way it talks say Amba General. To Ambazonia, yes, to one Cameroon. You can talk about say when Ambazonia started, I was all for it. I started killing our kids. And you started killing our kids. It don't come again. It don't talk say stop all this Amba nonsense. He say we say my trip for Boya Ide. Then he can start now. He can talk now say another one. He can talk now say no to okay, no to Ambazonia, yes to one Cameroon. Now it don't come again. He can talk now say stop lying to the Cameroonian people, fools. Ambazonia will never exist. They are child killers. Now Eritato now account that and he did for your page now. If you look for there, you see now. You go for YouTube. Now they put all that video the way they put out for YouTube. They talk say Amba General. So now he don't put that name say Amba General. It convince a lot of people and they use and say yes now General for Ambazonia. But all you write in the day against Ambazonia because you be raw chicken out.
It be so terrible. You know, come on, you and I know I'm over stress ourselves. We talk this thing detailedly because we get a lot for discuss and we'll keep them very short though.
Okay.
We don't preach and we don't talk this thing for so long. If anybody there for the revolution, any people there for the revolution, any activists there, at least you and myself, we don't constantly, no effort, relentlessly hit on this point for elaborate and for educate the people of Ambazonia the difference between original and counterfeit. The difference between those who are the true and the genuine Ambazonians and those the way they do for the thing now for make their money. We don't see many times say, even about ADF, you know, I don't make at least 10 videos with evidential proofs for sure say ADF the work with La Republique, Ayabacho the work with La Republique, Mark Barata, Tapang Ivo, and Eric Tato that they work for La Republique. And would you see him? You know, I talk this thing now for this platform. Everybody will watch me here. ADF. Once when I know about ADF, I say ADF na a gang of occultists. You see, when I don't notice and say for a particular period of every year, ADF must go for kill Ambazonian fighters then. The real Ambazonian fighters then. When I want to discover them, at the every year since we start the fight, we never ever hear say ADF attack La Republique. You go hear say, oh, military they go for Lebialem, field marshal, it destroyed them. You go hear the Bui warriors. When I go even see video, they destroy them. When I show me one video, when I don't hear say ADF they launch attack against La Republique. But every year, they launch attack against other Ambazonian camps and Ambazonian fighters then. And then, something that when I don't know, will be very spiritual, will be it bound and it connect to the occultic relationship and the blood pact of ADF. Ayabacho and all boys them, they don't go into blood pacts. They didn't make sure say, once a year, they must do some blood sacrifice. They could just decide with join La Republique, they go off and attack against our people for kill. Every year, think about it, since this revolution start, show me 1 year we don't pass away Ayabacho and the ADF, they never go attack some Ambazonian fighters, they account them for kill a general. You know the amount of general where ADF don't kill, it passed the one way La Republique itself don't kill. Come on, you and Allah at the talk.
Well, the problem I see, I not really know which general where La Republique don't kill him because The first characteristic where La Republic is do and when a key person, and I say you see them, they put their picture there, they stand for them, they take picture with the corp system and all they like. Now, if you see even a mass massacre where they go put them for some play, we see plenty of people they kill them for the like the one that we see like last week. If you only see our corpses, you not see people them now that kind work the way that kind ADF and the Tangan people they do them. Because La Republic military, whenever they kill some person, they must stand for it. They take pictures, they take videos, they show them for it. And
That's right.
It happen. Yes. That one like for Ivo, they be just gonna go pick them. That one for Mad Dog, they be just gonna go pick them, and all those kind stop them. So you give to understand, say, now so this thing that they happen. But now we give to talk to you. Even those generals them, where they still work out for ground, they work out, they commit those crimes them. I guarantee them say, if they like, I mean general them like a fang them. General them like a bube, a kiko on a them. If they like their lives, they must entrust all their activity where they do them, either for their mommy or their papa or for some person. Because one day, because very soon all them they will die too. Because when enemy don't use you, understand say it will be more expensive for the keep you, and you can't tell your secret them for outside and other kind of them. It will wake up one day so you want to say now they finish you. That is exactly what way it happened. That we be the fight say we go now for Boya. We not be the fight now say we go now Ayaba. Wait people that say until Ayaba. And for your information, Ambazonia people where they day all the general where they day for Ground Zero. When the day we reach, say we get independence, say we want to reach for Boya. Now United Nations they can put a provisional government when at them they supervise some kind of so where it will give like 2 years before we go make elections, before we know who will rule Ambazonia. So me some person no can lie you, or like Frunji they can't lie when I talk say people in the diaspora they say they be president, they can't do so, they can't do so. That is not how it works. Maybe not sure it work. They can't put now a council, they put now something where it go for down. But why when I go be in a generals them? And yes, or why they only ask my trip to Boya. Now they not even ask money, they don't collect for 35 years, money for Changshu, money for Dak, money for this, all that kind of thing. They don't even ask those things because these guys they don't give any accountability to you people. I be talking with some person last week. He can't tell me how his small brother now, technical advisor for Ayaba. And his small brother nobody even knows Ayaba, they go sell oil for London. So he tell you, I say, okay, when I begin for give you the technicalities inside the oil deal, but he not be even aware. Okay, now what will happen? I say, Ayaba now contact one woman for Manu. Say me the woman now can begin to work with you because that woman a big sponsor. So the woman talk say, yes, he no one invest in money for play lies and did it. He don't verify say, he say Akwanga go for school, he be a doctor. Me, I give school where he get medical, he get doctor for it. Then he will know say if he talk to, if he trust, he will work with you. I have a reply message for you say if they be there now for Africa, if for send people that they can kill that night. You understand? That is how they lead people. They call and say a leader then they behave. So when they can fool now every day do so. Oh, they never do weapon, they never do so. Ask them for you say wait till you two you don't do it with the money where you two you collect them. Wait till you two you don't do with the money where you collect them. There is never a day. Me I tell Ambazonia people for me the year. Never a day when La Republic military, Cameroon military, they be well-trained military. Even they confront a Nigeria military, they must shoot gun. Even they control American military, they must shoot gun. Nobody, if you can open him up and tell you, say, they go meet up Cameroon military, they will call run, they leave all gun there for them. Like how we AD, I can't talk the other day. Say they go meet up military, we call leave gun. That one no the always occur. If when I look, even this armor car the way they work, I go one way or the other. Even anytime restoration fighters them, they want to attack them. You hear military too, they shoot gun. There is never a day where you hear you say you go meet up military like 12, 50 military them. All then the joke come on run, they leave gun the for una. When I take those gun them. That story, me when I not buy into that story.
But the
And
one
I
show
think
we
where
say,
they can't make am happen.
UN, hold on. The one show we, this thing not be new for we. We will not over this thing. We know, even fool know and should know by now that ADF and AGOVC, Ayaba, a group them, are the biggest corrupt liars who will get them for the revolution. Where they dull for the way they form story today, they lie. They can't talk story tomorrow. They forget say they don't lie, talk the other one. If you want to put all the story them, it contradicts everything. But you know, I don't want to over focus on that because we go focus on the negative things. We already know these people them. We don't expose them a lot.
Okay, that's fine.
We talk about time for genuine Ambazonians them for rise up. Because if any man the way they watch me now, we no say ADF, Ayabacho, Tapang Ivo, Eri Tato, Mark Barata, that these individuals are against our liberation fight by their actions, then that person be worse than a fool. You see. So we no go waste time so one can educate those kind of people because we don't talk this, we don't do them again and again. And if you can go for class, they tell you say 1 + 1 are 2. 1 + 1 are 2. Every day you come for exam, they ask you say 1 + 1 are 8, it's an 11. Now your fault? No. But you know the pain for all this thing. Now what do I make at the beginning? Come you and I talk say news no be when dog bite man. News now when man bite dog because dog get the tendency for constantly bite man. This way happen say Ayabacho go and oh yeah today say ADF they don't go. More talk on this come UN. This 2 year today say ADF they don't go commit this havoc inside Guzang. No be new thing. The counties, the LGAs, all the generals, the way they did true for this fight, they get for know by now who ADF be. I hear a story say them be the go. For good, no, you don't hear. So whenever ADF want to do a bad thing, they use the word collaboration. Some persons they say the ADF fighter they say they want to go meet up with the ARF fighters for that area. They say they want to go do collaboration, they want to go talk peace talk or wait. They go end for kill them. This thing will be one time. It don't always they happen. None of one time we don't hear it kind of thing. They will say ADF. They say they want to go meet up Ambazonia Restoration Forces. For some places, they say they want to do collaboration talk, always talk. Before you want to know, La Republic they shoot them, kill them. It didn't a constant setup. It happened for 2016. It happened for 2017. It happened for 2018, 2019, for 2020. It still happen. It seems for me like so why people know the land, the counties them, the LGA them, the defense department them. What did they do for proof? He beat all this.
No, which way you want to talk now, say the story where you don't talk for the well, the we come out can't debunk and say not be been at the true story. But the one where Capo Daniel it don't can put them out. He say ADF people them they don't fight for several days inside Batibo with La Republic military. But now, since those several days we never heard any fighting. So he talk now say this so then La Republic military go for Guzang market for go fight ADF and they start the fight with ADF. Fight come out. Then in commando you boy then they hear the fight, they come out, they run, they come. Now anyway, they can't attack ADF people. Then I want to ask and I say, why La Republic people and two they not be attack commando people? Because if ADF they fight with La Republic, commando people and two they hear they run come for market. Now they fight now can end only between ADF and La Republic. I mean and commando people. Who say La Republic he go? So it therefore means say they work with La Republic. They will send La Republic like for front. La Republic go make them say they want enter for market, commando people and they say they want camp, then La Republic just shift for corner. Then mean ADF it do am. So that me government carry a responsibility. So that me they continue for promote and say yes, now Ambazona that way they fight between themselves. That the narrative that way Capo Daniel the one try for explain for this. He said now authentic news that and he said they be already fight for several days and we will not get any idea about it.
The people that take we for fools. You see, fellow Amazonians, you want to show we say ADF, EGOC, Ayabacho, Capo Daniel, and the rest them. Name them for yourself. They take you and me for fools. That means say they don't see and say they get the audacity and the guts for go kill or picking them anyhow. Then form any story can't tell with more believer. And that's so some of our brothers them and our sisters them. They sponsor them. They give their money for pin. They give them money contender. They give them money plus why would they go take over La Republic? Can you imagine how terrible these guys are?
Okay, countryman. Since you don't talk, say, we will talk about the time for the genuine Amazonians and for rise up. So, I want to say we will just go into the topic because the genuine Amazonians, then we will talk about the role of the population, the role of the defense chair people them and the county people them and the like. Because for Malemi, for example, the population it get a big role for play here. Population where they there for Guzang and they play for Amazonia. And where they know say these people are ADF. And these people are not these kind of people. Now them get for talk. Now them get for explain. You know you should have a house with a snake and then you keep quiet. Because that snake it will come wake up tomorrow, it can't bite you. So the population it get for stand up and talk. More talk like example. Like how I be put up for some audio yesterday. Where they say my country people, they say it been a man for Widikum. And now all Widikum people them, I would talk say they been accomplices for all actions where they keep people. Because they know your name, it live with them, it live inside their communities them. But they prefer for remain silent, even for the way they go take a small picking, put them inside oil, they kill them. So if you there for Batibu, you there for Amazonia, you see say now ADF, you don't really know all actions the way ADF people they do them. And then you stay quiet, it means say you be an accomplice. If you deserve the freedom, you know say forget the freedom, it means say everybody it must stand against La Republic. It means that we need a strong number for stand against La Republic. But now you will leave them, they go kill the fighters. If they not be not kill general, we've already like 100 generals now. We've already like 100 generals now. Imagine the fight way 100 generals they will carry them against La Republic. But you as a common pa and a common mammy where you there for quarter like me and you receive people the way they can't help for it. Instead they keep fighters where they for go fight for liberate you from La Republic. You should not you quiet. You check say now good thing that you do them. You the county chair people them. Wait if when they do. ADF for 4 years. Yet we not get nothing for now. AGA chair people them. Now the same thing. Even the chairperson for national security for interim government, where they call and say Ebenezer. You know they come for us, we never see it. But now, how did they fight war? Instead for a general for can't stand for front like Ebenezer stand for front, knock hand for table, talk say this is what I want. You know I come for front. One, I will talk say now two things them. Either it collude with La Republic or whatsoever. Because if a general they go remain inside who they fight, you know one come for outside. Wait till they stop you for can't talk. Or it be double standard with the ADF and the AMF people.
I tell something. One of the biggest stupidity for this liberation fight, we would repeat them again and again, will not make no sense. And I will talk very boldly for you. You see, we don't get the kind of thing they happen always and always. You go see, the kind of thing go happen, Secretary Chris go come live, he go take the commander or county, person for that county or that area, they can't give a report, oh, this happened in Guzang, this took place, this and that, we talk, and after that, now all. We don't tire those reports. No, be real. Something not go happen, lady one, before you know it, ABC don't come live, all activists they talk about them, the one make Mr. Nacho talk, the one make the see. I don't want to say any report over useless things. Because this particular thing happened today inside Guzang market, which were picking the way they die. Now a tragic thing will not be supposed to happen. And we don't get to stop this thing. You go see tomorrow, any of this, now the same thing, it's a routine. ABC go come like such, Chris go come, he go take some of the county people or people for Guzang, for Bati, for that play will happen. They will come talk. It end. Nothing will happen. 3 months after.
Now why that way I be suggest say they get for inter government get for get people the way they call and say overseer, inspector general, overseer, somebody where he talk with those people that for back home, where they explain for them. Because if you don't wait and say me defense chair can't give report, he can't give report whether sometimes you know even get no contact with people the way they back home. He can't just say, oh, they don't buy sugar cane them, they don't do so, whereas maybe they never buy, they know nothing, they never do, they know nothing. And then it will leave those people them. For America for here. Law enforcement, it be done by the police, and then the peace, it be protected by the federal army. But you realize and say we still get CIA and we still get FBI. When our intelligence people them, where FBI show, it monitor what way policeman they do them, monitor what way different person they do them. So that if policeman can give report where not correlate with what you where yesterday go investigate them, now they go question, they go question it. So because when you are you go enter security meeting, you tell defense people them, what are you people doing? He say, oh, we are doing this, we don't do so, we don't buy material, we do so. Maybe sometimes they never buy, they know nothing. And then you want to see I'm now people that for ground zero, they start to talk, say, oh. So these people they don't come now for can't do now, so they don't can do now this one. Like this one today, we can't hear how they say these people that go now with 10 guns them. And we will not say commando to get guns them. And when a commando way about 5 or 6 months ago, like Republic military, it go for day. So they attack them, they come on run because we get powerful guns them. Huh? How come now they can't talk now and say this so these on people that they become be so? And they realize and sometimes say they make so fight now because like you talk. People they can't use on high technology, can't say, oh, we make peace, we do so. Then maybe you abandon yourself. Either they go now for market for go find Anastasia on a kind of, then they surprise them for day before all this kind of thing they happen. Yes, that is what we get for talk say. They go for make people where they go for make sure say all money where they raise them, it go for the right sources. Everything where they report it will be correct.
That's where they talk, it makes sense. But I think so we don't even go too far. Because if one go that far, we will extend the show too much. More focus on this part. See, this thing where ADF they go kiki or picking them, no be new thing for we. No be new thing. We know say ADF. I mean every Ambazonian, even Papa and Mommy them. Okay, you hear the audio today for Gonzalo. Mommy then they cry, Papa then they cry. They say me they give them gun, me they go kill ADF. Then be careful, wait. Me ADF can't kill their picking them before they vex now say they want go kill them. Well, you know, now it happen for this for Gozan. People that for Fako, for Meme, for Lebi Alem, for Manu. They only look at for Boyo, for Menchum. They only look at. But they get some of those places you get like 3 ADF, 4 ADF. At the end of the day, I will give my suggestion. 5 months ago, I will don't give a suggestion. Go for my Facebook platform. It did it. Today, I make a write-up again about that. It be simple. We not feel fight like Republic where you get thousands of armies there. Then you take 50 or 40 people where ADF don't use them, join them. Then they go commit all the havoc. Which though I don't see that they fight for against the Republic for Ambazonians. It be very clear from the narratives who will get them. Or today, now say ADF. They plan this thing. Even a few days ago, you hear the Ojuwe Kapodanye make away talker. They call La Republic soldiers and so it's me they do it. I talk and make for the.
Me they clear road. Me they come up for road because they want pass with soft phone.
Can you imagine? So it shows they get a connection. How you go be Amazonian fighter? You call La Republic soldiers, say me they come up for road. We no want pass with phone officer. Where they know so wanna be amber. We know say if there are case true they go stand, they attack una. You see what I want to say? When people they overlie, before the one know, their mob go to talk their secret, we they don't know. Indirectly, Capo Daniel will tell we, if he tell we say them call La Republique, they say me the clear road, me the capas with the chief of so it means they get an alienation with them. Because which side you go see say Amba go call army, say army come off road. army no say America army no go
Yeah,
take gun.
because La Republic we know say restoration fighters them they be take the phone, right? So when they be take the phone too, and as highway like Capo Daniel and the rest, they be not talking all enablers and they will deal with them. They will deal with them. But when they be go take that phone too, they see and say that the General Restoration Forces and they take the phone. Now you way order now they turn against the toxic. If they not release that phone, what will happen? So they take that phone, now that phone it go that phone they release that phone, it deny say no they go the phone now go for the run a DO na divisional officer them are
And
they
the
for
same
up.
GO. Yeah.
Where they fund up. When La Republic person where a day fund up. So now that part of deny say they go in for Bamenda. What will happen? I say that part for come up for they go for Bamenda, they will feel kidnapping again for different way. Now way they give you now for a faction for La Republic them. When ADF, the way they disguise someone they did now La Republic they disguise. So now for alert La Republic military, say now then they would now them now between now then say they come. So that means they not just look them from a distance, they attack and check say now amber fighters them. Because they would work at they feel meet up any motor they come down when our military. They know. So now you it talk now say me they clear the road. So it be the same thing where if you still talk, say me people for so me they relocate go into the grasses, I mean to the far into the forest. Because ADF it would conduct military exercises for go free La Republic military. And now Black Leg where the rock cash them, where all man define Black Leg, they talk now say they show me they leave the Black Leg. They carry the Black Leg go. You know say even Kung Fu. That woman for ABC, he can't talk say, oh, me they not begin to talk for chiefs them, me they leave chiefs them because they been people for tradition. Now, we say we dey for this kind of level. These are people we not talk this thing and for the revolution we talk with tire. I don't know the kind of medicine where the people that they use them, where they convince Ambazonia them. Even you talk now how people that be blockheaded where they will still listen only for which way they talk. Imagine you see every person, chairman for Bui. He got take La Republic flag, he put on for a profile picture. Then when we can't see and they go to talk, he say, oh, they be put I don't know. And where you use your profile every day, you talk, you communicate with them. How you feel talk you communicate with them? You know if you go read a message the way you know say now who sending message where you know see which way you there for your own too. This is the thing where we the first time for this revolution. And whether we talk say the genuine people and they get for stand up. If you're a country person, know they do proper job. You're a defense person, know they do proper job. We get for stand up for do those things. You already see even someone away with it. Yeah, you go for stand up, we go for stand against these things them. And you see, I see someone person would be chairperson, defense man for restoration forces for FACO. Restoration forces for FACO. Because they can't vote you, they move you out now. You go form it again on different branches saying a FACO action front. Therefore, it means say, if we go move Dr. Sako now, it will come out again, go form your own group like how are you type form your own, they're going to.
It's terrible. You know, the worst thing I say, when the thing that happen, you get people that support them. I've just blocked some people. I see they write some nonsense for comment section. Come on, you and at this juncture, which you think say, which will be a plea and your call to the genuine people of Ambazonia. You know, I started for talk say La Republic aim for infiltrate we create confusion, create distraction, create chakara, so that make plenty people they become discouraged, they give up. Because some person the way it for this revolution, like you and me, with the whole heart. When he start see the kind of thing them, he go see say, oh, how I have a way I think say it for Ambazonia. If they send the people them for ADF, maybe they go kill picking them for Kukugwe. Some of that picking themselves now even maybe na country people, na brothers them, na cousins them. If that kind of person is experience that kind of thing, how you think that person go feel? He go be discouraged. You don't go and give you support again for the fight.
The major factor, I say, if you see, say, they insist like for that Krugwe and for all those places that for them. Remember, say, if you come, if you just there 5 miles from La Republic village to their own camp, and they never even attack them, no one day. And they go charge he come, they don't see nothing where it shows say na Ambazonia. Now only a black flag he did it. Then Ayuk Tabe and the Eritato people them, they talk say na Dr. Sako people go put the flag for day. Ayibakan talk say no, that flag now for La Republic person where I will be killer. Or na general I will be killer. He take the flag for them. Now no Ambazonia flag in no day. No nothing in no day. So the problem we go for action for you now and say waiting. Why they go to choose the target this Momo? Momo na the one way he give the highest draft. He give the highest draft past all people. Momo give 650 something thousand US dollars and where the still continue to go. Move talk say move and only for 650. That 650 now close to 300 and something millions. Yet no action there for Momo. Bui, where they give them now only 80 something thousand dollars. Where they go like 40 something million. No 2 days we pass away, no year update for Bui. Say Bui don't do so, Bui don't do so, Bui don't do so. Momo it be dormant. Momo they empty. It be dormant.
You know,
so now why they go now why they go do that thing for Momo for play where the highest money it be the come for day? So that when they make Momo people now they just be discouraged. Even the next draft now no man no go give money. It means they already cut the revolution by 650,000 US dollars. Money in no enter for day. When they go for different strong play where they for the money it did it. Remember, Ayibabiro talks say me they continue the fight. Ma will emerge victorious. Now you determine the leadership. But Ayiba forget for no say. We know I'm being a military state for Ambazonia. Because we not fit defeat La Republic. Me, Ambazonia people they put this one for their sense. We not fit defeat La Republic and the French African Union they combine. Now why that we insist we go for table? We insist that United Nations give the resolution 1608. And when they give that kind of resolution, they know they can't talk say, okay, who be gonna president? No, they can't set people them. They prepare people now, like after 2 years before they make election, people don't make political parties and all they like, all those kind of things. So, me people not can realize and people can't tell and say, oh, we'll go do so. Now, we will fight. When we'll fight, we'll be minister for this, you'll be minister for this, you'll be minister for this, minister for this. Yeah, tell people that for Ambazonia where they listen with the year. People and they, Ambazonia people and they, where they support this struggle. And where they still work for La Republic government. And where when they were worried for Ambazonia, now those people them, you will stand, now them they will start administration. That one like not sweet. Because we know I'm being a rock state, we don't want to be a state of quality, a state of qualification. So you know we talk say, man like you, because you be the top of Facebook, because I be talk say because graduate one for university also. It will also say one being a minister of finance. And when you read for the person, it will move a PhD for finance, a degree of finance, it show track record for finance, other kind of job experience. Now the thing that will go for take and go for this. Now I will not talk say when this thing be the start, when these people can talk about this collaboration and all this kind of thing, I'll be talk say me enter government, it go do a proper vetting for all IG people. All county chair people, all defense people, them. Restoration Council. When I do say proper vetting, it means say when I the state on an objective, when I state wait you when I deny, state wait you when I no one time, any man put his signature on top of that paper. Because man way it would deny say no go put his signature on top of the paper, it means say me I bring a small example. Even I said it.
Hello, come UN. I think so. We don't lost come UN. Yes. Why would when may we connect? Country people, Papa and Mommy them. for roundup, make I just make this small talk straightforward. It not been a new thing for we say we don't see the atrocities and the brutality for ADF for inside this war revolution. Plenty time we don't see how ADF done the kill picking them. Ayabacho in a boys them done the kill picking them. Una can hear how Tapang Ivo talk say if una see Field Marshal anywhere more na key Field Marshal. As a matter of fact, they don't make it their house homework for the Kiwa generals them and for the Kiwa picking the way they fight for our freedom. What you do I mean? We're picking the way they're strong, they stand for go fight, for protect we, for fight for our freedom. ADF don't make up a mind for kill them and for fight against them. I don't give us some simple examples, but we'll ask ourselves the question, why be say ADF be so bent only for fight the Ambazonian Restoration Forces? Why? What profit? If it be say the one claim na control for Ground Zero, why they no go conquer other territories then? Why they no go fight for some place, they conquer that place, they take over the place, they show we say they fit take over a territory. That one go be like a positive, competitive spirit. But no, their aim and their target, not for the freedom of Amazonia. Even though when they can't make speech, they talk but actions speaks louder than words. That's how we hear them for small picking. Say actions speaks louder than words. If person can tell you say this, tell you say this, tell you say this, yet it go act differently, do different things, you get for wise up. I don't come today for come talk, repeat two, I don't talk over here plenty times. I don't talk over here plenty times. I don't explain of Ambazonian people. I don't put them with facts and proofs. Say AGC, ADF, and Ayabacho and Co. They're not there for a fight. They're there for destroy we. I will leave them for you, my me and Papa, my brothers and my sisters. Muna decide what to do with ADF. The more we play with them, the more we laugh with them, the more we joke with them, the more they will do this kind of thing. They do them for their own general. In fact, when I name the instances for ourselves where they don't kill or picking them, kill or fighter them, kill or general them, and they still do them. They still do them. See the number of picking the way they kill and children. Look those boys where they lie down. Those are brave warriors. You know how many years it would take for get that kind of picking them again with the big so for fight again for we? They did just waste the life of what picking them. See ADF, all these boys man, they don't get value for human life. They don't care. The one at their position of power and money from La Republique, now all that. So they don't care how many of our picking them die. And the worst thing for all this now, those people the way they support them financially, they support them, they share them. You see, Tapang Ivo can't talk foolish. He tell you say he be a propaganda person, he not be an activist. What did that one mean for you? But any day we come like you to promote the propaganda, you share them. You can't have my show like one, you know share. When I have a talk, he can big speech, him talk. He say go cut cheese there, hit them. He say mona key this, mona do this, mona go key G general them. You go glad. Like the Ambazonian that what they fight for. I make a statement where be very critical a few moments ago. And I applied the same statement for myself. You know, I expect say when some people do, and we don't always become used to that. You know, I don't tire that nonsense, Ambazonians. Papa and Mami them. I don't tire that nonsense. When something happen, all man go run come, go talk. The activists we can't talk about them. The activists can't talk about them. We'll get the videos, we'll get the audios, we'll get the messages. So it is like Ambazonians, they just take pleasure for talk about these things. Something will happen, they do one. We just can't talk about them, report. Every activist can talk your own way here. Do one can. So it give some activism and ingredients for can make a show. That means say they hope me bad things they happen for our people. May they can be first for report. May they be first for talk. Is that activism? No. 1,000 times no. Transmitter of negative news na activism. So if you would expect me for Candy evening, for can talk about what happened for Guzang, for can share with you all those audios, Kosh, talk. As somebody talk, no. We have gone beyond that. This is a sad thing that has happened to us. A very sad thing. The question for you who will watch me right now, sweetie. How, which will get for do for prevent and for stop this? Because this thing don't happen again. Look, sometimes I be tempted to call, we say, would behave so foolishly. Because this thing, one thing nothing they happen for you again, always happening to you. And you need to do something for stop them. I talk you'll see all activists that will come. You want to talk tomorrow or any day. You'll see such Christy will come, or you will bring panelists them, call them, tell us what happened in Gudang. You want to talk, we'll report. Are we not tired of that nonsense? Seriously? We're never tired of always they can report about our plight, about our pains. How that help we? For can report how our pain will be inflicted in this case. We're never tired. May the genuine Ambazonians rise up. And when they rise up, they will shake off the shackles and the dust them. They will act accordingly. That's why you want to act in a talk. If you hear some person, they say, oh, I'll kill you, you don't get power for kill. You see, the time don't come for we for arise and for act accordingly. I mean, say, we got to respond to, not only to La Republic, but to ADF, both home and abroad. I make a statement, say, Ambazonians, they get to show every AGOVC member, ADF member, any one of them, they don't ever identify themselves with AGOVC and ADF. We don't give command for the killing of our picking them. One day when they talk to me, they go cut hand them, like every tattoo them, pump them. When they tell me they cut down for people. Or the one day they say, key those generals them. When I hear Pascal Kiki, Pamela Capo Daniel, all those them, Tapang Ivo, they don't get family there for Ganzuro. Some of them know their family them. When they keep them, they return, they go kill their own picking on our brothers them. And they for a village, they will know their mommy, papa, brothers and they. And they cause the biggest confusion. Give the most devilish orders them. Because they never feel the pain when they feel them. Oh, they feel them. You know, when I wake up for morning time, I see the images who are picking the way they die. Our brothers them. I don't even know when water they come on my eye. Some of you don't just be used to those things when you just hear. Our people are dying. Oh, it don't become like people that just talk. 1, 2, 3 days don't pass. Everything go back to normal. The core evil never be dealt with. I have a children for know where they sit on talk. He will still can't talk for you. He will can't talk, can't big speech, talk. It just say they just hypnotize you now that juju. Now what are some Amazonians when I get for the prayer? Seriously. Because they can't talk, usually they are juju, them rub off their lips. Talk, we know all their negative, manipulative things or cultic in them. Some of them will just fall again for that. Person can't kill your picking, kill your husband today. You can't meet up with tomorrow, you talk, you go join me, you go give your trust again. He don't do them. Not be one time. He kill your first picking. He can't beg you for collaboration. He kill your second picking. He kill your third picking. He kill your fourth picking. He kill your only woman picking. He kill your husband. You go be like a fool for still go give that person your trust. How long, Ambazonians? How long? We'll never be radical enough. If we really want, let me say for La Republic, for fear we'll never be radical enough. As I say, would you still overplay with evil? Will you still pamper evil? Will you still romance with evil? We'll never be radical enough. As I say, come on, you and not join me back. Come on, you and move round up, my brother. I would just want you to give us some small roundup statement from your part. And then move round up for this show. Tomorrow we'll still come up again. Tomorrow, Friday, we'll continue.
Well, you hear me?
I hear you very well.
Well, the essential thing I say, when people and they see injustice in the occur, they see evil in the occur, they remain silent or they just decide for remain neutral. It means that they participate for promote it. So we go for understanding if you be the cry from La Republic nobody kill people at first. If it only they punish people, they punish we, they minimize we, manipulate we. Now it can't start the kill we. Where now a very bad thing. Then we see some of us where they stick, where we be chasing, and some of us they still come, they kill we. Then you remain quiet. So you check say who say you will go in. You gotta understand say when dog you don't already know how to chop meat. It will chop the meat where you try and for ye. When meat no day, it will open pot, they move your own meat for pot. No check say this so when I would allow the axis of evil go to keep different people them. When they would already be addicted for blood, they will go find person for kill them, they not go get them, they will still come for you. We don't want to talk again now say the righteous people them. Now the population, if when I see people them where they kidnap people, when I see people where they do any bad thing, when I get for stand up, any person where it there for inside position for authority, self-defense or country or whosoever, if you see say your hands are big tight because they don't be corner, you don't corner you for La Republic side or for Ayuk Tabe their own side, you go for no say they be giving that position now for a specific objective. Same you do them. How you don't go saw your hands for the other side, better you resign and you leave a meet different person if you take the job, it perform. Not go carry your own ballot for some place for nothing. Because at the end of the day, they will use you, they will leave you so. You are a chairperson today, a defense person today, thanks to the Amber Peace Plan where we come about with the county and the LGS systems. It not be being a thanks to La Republic, it not be being a thanks to the Ayuk Tabe. All people who they inside one county, you're gonna see say when I chair people them or defense people know they work fine. When I get for take them to booking, when I correct them, and if possible, when I replace them. Because when I money, when I time, and everything when I put up for the enough it go in vain. When I know leave a few people them when I go. Because the moment where you want start for the correct them, for try for change them, you will really see and say will be put sometimes the wrong people in the wrong positions. Where you vote person move am, he come on go for me on government, or he come on go join at the other side, he turn on a peace ambassador. It means that person was not a genuine person. You know, we get a cost for you know we get the cost at hand for the place. So a heart. And the people the way they hide their faces them. Like that chairman for national security, what they call and say Ebenezer. If he not say he will come address people, can't talk for our side because either they hide the face or whatsoever. But I know talk say they hide the face because we will not see for Zoom meeting. So the kind of people where they're not the kind of out for here. Either they go with La Republic for the other side, they can't do so. Then they remain and for back. We don't want the year and alumni all over the day again can they talk to them. If that panel want for grief or come for us, I can't talk, they will know. If country people are not going for take list, call people, they never pay money for their draft, they will know say they collude with La Republic because they don't want to see me money come in me people that they go do this thing. Because we don't want year audio them where they come up for fighters and restoration fighters for back home. Talk say they not get material, they not get this because when a country cheer people them and the leadership, when I know they collaborate with them, it is shown and say when I don't know what way when I get for do. You a country chairperson or chairperson, you are not going to be imposing on people they did for ground zero. You've been at their collaborators. You collaborate with them. No talk say this so if the person not work with me, I will leave you so. And would he talk on all the fighters the way they did? Say when I see this thing, see like commando, without begging say me go join county, work with LGA. All you honor say he say one die now with Secret. And Secret just talk say enough he leave Mark Barata because Mark Barata don't do you good for the revolution. And Mark Barata and a person way he did now Ayawa, he did against AGC and all those things. Now why do you say when they bring pictures, they can't come go outside?
That's a very good connection. One other big devil. Now, may I talk something? My brothers and my sisters in for Mogamo. Yeah. I want for Momo. When I've been a very great people. My brothers and my sisters in for Momo and my great people for Mogamo. When I've been a very great people. You see, if we not learn from this thing that they happen in the past, we now continue to repeat the same error. Because we no want contain everybody, we no want please everybody. We now go lost on picking them a lot. It pains me when I see the great people of Momo, intelligent, wonderful people, where they get beautiful women them, strong, intelligent man them, wonderful people, patriotic people. Then they be manipulated by a few deceived ones. You just call a name come on you and right now for you call and say Secret Johnson. If one person there for this revolution and this fight way, it don't cause a lot of confusion amongst fighters, generals, and the problem for people for ground zero. Now this Secret. Okay, imagine Secret Johnson, Judson, now if you call name. How you go talk say he work for Una. He go talk say the work with commando. For example. Secret Johnson na a strong complice for Mark Barata. When Mark Barata na a strong AGC, ADF person. Ayabachi person. So imagine now say like what happen today inside Guzan.
And when you say ADF don't go as I go me to go march for give for make me come to be free. Now they not endorse national dialogue. I mean
exactly.
They
see the connection.
They make come to me happy. They for national dialogue. Then you wanna they listen to them how?
Sometimes I just feel as so we some ambassadors are just so are we blind? Mark Barata the can't tell we say me when I go march to come to me ambassadors they make come to proud. Which you know what I mean? He already there for one Cameroon. He already there. He mommy and parents they stay for Yaoundé. He there for one Cameroon. When I don't see like people don't go catch a family for Yaoundé, but they go catch Chris and your own family then, and others their own family then. But your own family there for Yaoundé. If Papa died, they bury for Yaoundé. That one be my concern. But we know say na the very Mark Barata don't have to change talk. If they talk na me Ambazonians they go join Kamto, made a march, they make Kamto proud. That was a statement he made them make Kamto proud. The very Mark Barata na AGC person. How you feel before AGC then you work with Kamto, you work with La Republic. Connection there. Now the very Mark Barata, a strong friend for Secret. The very Secret, the claim want take control of defense for waiting for Momo. So anything they happen for Momo or for Mogamo, once Secret Johnson know, it be easy for Mark Barata for no. Mark Barata will only say, hey my man, how far? And then like you come with you and you go just come and say, Mr. Nanchop, how? Who story? I talk with you freely. Because I know see you, my man, you talk with me freely because you know say I be a man, you tell me things, you tell me. But maybe inside my heart, I want to get some information about what way Commando and the boys that they plan for do. Since Mark Barata they work with ADF, he will easily give out those information with ADF and he easily go into La Republic. Now what is this? Look what happened. Why boys they be so vulnerable? It just be easy for. Just imagine what happened. Just of recent. We don't talk these things. People know the year. Then when you go see Mark Barata, they talk, Secret just they talk, people they go listen, they promote, they come on, well, I want to say some people they get for die. See, come on here, before I give you my phone. Some people get food. Listen, this is okay, those boys where they die today, their own life be less important than Mark Barata alive, than Secret Johnson alive. We don't feel, the people are not to play politics over the lives of our Pekin them. How many Pekin die only today? The 27th of November, Isa Ambazonia, Isa Mogamo. So that picking them, their own lives, at least that picking they say they don't fight, they don't shoot a Kilebe, they don't kill them. What did Mark Barata don't do? You don't ever kill one a Kilebe. Secret Johnson, you run him up, you don't kill one a Kilebe. But for create confusion, because they are more concerned about their ego, their self, their pride, their position. They don't care. The picking and so something will go happen where the pain will make you go feel bad. You go even change the way you do your things or you talk. If the death of this Pekin and they hurt these people, some of them don't look the way that they do. They give away their pride. They say that for some Pekin and they die, so no. But they will stick to their pride. They want men at their own way be pushed forward. They will do everything possible. They don't care if the Pekin and they die. Listen, fellow Ambazonians, they want a war. Some people get to die both home and abroad. Some of these enablers, they get for if their colleagues them, if they their friends them, like this way Secret Johnson they do so. And the people that they do for this, if something never happen for them, if we never take them into hands, others are no fear. Come on, you.
Yeah, I mean, the talk now say, like what you talk, now why that will fight as and they go for understand, say, first way, it give you instruction. Now friend for Atanganji, now friend for Ma Barata, now friend for Ayugdem, where they already go for national dialogue for special status and all those things. So if you listen to them, now a problem. And you realize and say, some way for diaspora. Some people they go enter inside WhatsApp groups them or meetings there with them, or they say no, we must tolerate their own opinion. How you tolerate my opinion? Where you go in your own day, you go na boya. That why that way you see person when they get information, they share them for them. See that video you play the other day for that picking where they come GDR center. Now because that kind of video, it will take them intellect inside one of those people the way it be friendly. Either they go IG, they go AMF with AGC and so it will take and put them for. You know, say as they don't put them for the rock the car now they go the other side. As they just put them for they carry the picture, they go the other side. Now all of this kind of the way that it happen. Okay, take for example. Every time when we go talk say we go buy things for Grand One. How way you deal with you deal maybe. We just say we send commando EP in the middle go back in for Grand One. See to know the information. It will transmit our Ma Barata for Ayabada. We success them. Now they go for Grand One. Now they go carry that together. They text in and they say, oh, the rock carry them for them. Only because we want to say this so oh the man of my friend will be not taking money for this. May tell on something. People that die hard for different people for the revolution. I say in the early days of revolution where accountability not be. So they will not raise money, they divide them. When I be here, even that money for Dr. Fontaine Mimoto. Dr. Fontaine be talk according to what Achira Tanga be talk sometimes. He talks this so they be give now this amount. Achira Tanga talk to say they give this amount. And then they say Fontaine say me they give you some amount, then they divide some out of amount. And Tapanga go they take that money chop. Achira Tanga they not even get some amount someone for inside. You don't see this don't go like for bed in different side, they go raise money for it. Raise money for them, they put up for pocket. When they don't dirty hands and so they will be unable for separate. Because when they separate, they go the fear say different man will go league his secret, this man will go league the other man is secret, this man will league the other man the own secret. And that's where it go. Okay, see like the money will be come for dark or for Eritato. We say they give you only for out of $15,000 for dark. I know you can't come for Philippines and the rest for my trip to Boya, we take and put them. But $15,000 is only $800 for barefoot people. That's all. All the rest of the money is lost. So if they take that kind of money, they divide it like them two. You just say what it will happen. You know if you go against the other person because you will fear see, he will can't tell you say, okay, we'll be there together. So Ambazonia people, all the fighters we wanna do for Ground Zero, we don't tell when these things so they will tire. We don't fight this war now because of some person in name. You know, they fight for some person in name. They tell me you fight for Ambazonia as a country. As Ambazonia, you say you fight for Ambazonia as a country, you get for fight as for your LGA or your county as a name of a region. So that whether now would they tomorrow, it will cover your head. You when you be a fighter, if you see be chairman for your county tomorrow, it depends as it depends. Even as you fight for an individual like for Mr. Nanchop, where if you never talk say that's so. You know go breathe. That's so pobia it deal with people. Them. We just say go for a community, go fight for your own community, go for your own play with the pay your own taxes and for day. You operate for day. Even they change leadership, they make accountability. End of the year they talk say money don't come on this amount, money don't come on so. Oh when they talk for Ground Zero for day. When they talk for Ground Zero for day, I wanna think them when they can't talk. Oh, Jena okay, we can't talk on. Different one they can't talk on. So. People when they work under them, how much money they talk say they don't raise and how much they jam for you. That is exactly what really happen. Because those people they raise money for a diaspora. Then they put it for their pocket. They can't tell you say, okay, I give the one for my own pocket, but all the money be going for my trip to Goya. They don't take a chop and bet. Now this one I give for my own pocket. Whereas that man don't use you, they raise money for them. They raise money for them. Me when I get for ask and say, who say accountability for NAC day, for total takeover day, for patch day, for this one and the day, for pin and day, for bonds and day, for passport and day, all that kind of thing. We're not ask those things them because they can't fool now for they say no. People when they collect money, now my trip to Boya, they collect money, but the one way with the do for you, it come on out for pocket. Then when I will come say, oh, money for my trip to Boya, money for my trip to Boya. When I forget say, when I own money, they be not for the other people. So if my asks you see money, money never come. As you say, you two brother, how you never come? Why you never collect someone too? Or because I be yes, you be collect money or for this kind level, for this kind of level, how much you be collect and how much it be? That is exactly. And we don't talk now say me fight, I don't know to go market, me don't know to go for ceremony. When you fight guerrilla war. Guerrilla war now say even you day for Guzang, where you be a fighter. Man fit there for Guzang, normal person fit there for Guzang like 1 month where you not even first see you. Because guerrilla person just dey like mole. That person where they just come on once in a while. No mean I say you been a guerrilla person where you fight. You go for market, take gun, put them only because you want you go say when you work at me chap, then they look you fine, me people they look you so, me they look you so, they look you so, and you go sell instant by yourself. When it can't occur for you, so you sell by yourself. And even at time they were even population go for to do a lot of excessive celebration. Where you go like for Bamenda, where United Nations they come, but they can't work at the make investigation. Like the public they take the work up for and I say no. Normalcy don't come because I felt you know for 6 months for answer in a year people they drink they down inside me they say oh they say oh you guys are not suffering. Nothing and that will put them that.
My brother, you know say this talk this way if we start for Chakra Tory for long, we no go end because we get the Tory for hard plenty. Now almost 2 hours this we don't talk for here. I want more round up now, and I will just want for round up for talk say. By the way, come over here and now already 1 o'clock morning for Friday, while they see for my time and for Amber. So we already get plenty of people there. For those who already watch for Europe, 1 o'clock night for morning, when I see them on the watch free. Thank you now. I know so most of them will watch this later. But today Friday, I will talk with come over here. We'll still come up again. We'll continue for also end. We will not make this over long.
Yes, because we get for come up. We're going to come up, we'll give enough time for people to meet the call, even for 30 minutes or 1 hour. Meet people that record, they express their own opinion for which
exactly.
Day.
Yes. So I will just listen to today, Friday, we will come back again. We'll continue for where we end. But see, I want to repeat: no time for pity party. No time for pity. So look for life. Oh my God. I wish all my get my spirit because for something that for life will happen for you, you wake up for sleep. You know, if it be now that kind of person will be too peaceful, too calm. When something that when it happen for you, my man, you wake up for sleep. And I just say that thing not happen for you. If people with Mogamo, let me say after this, for use the word ADF, it's a moga for be taboo. Let me say person say A, G, before one say F, you give this 6 feet. Let me say so when there is something that happen for you, you become so radical against that thing, where you take some actions and decision where after that, for ADF for even open their team up.
I bet Mr. Nanchop. Just use this opportunity for tell people for Ground Zero, especially fighters them. So when some person want talk about money for draft, may that person tell you play where he pay draft for day. Because people they can't talk say oh money for draft. They're not giving up 5 francs.
That's true.
They're not giving up 5 francs for draft, and they're not giving up 5 francs for my trip to Boya.
That's true.
That is a fact.
That's true. Country people, me and come you already come up again in few hours later. For now on, I still be up when I watch this game and I pass one. I pass one this. Thank you now. Come you and thank you. We will continue tomorrow. When I bye country people. When I take heart. We must stand strong and the genuine want them. All we must turn up.